alligator, snap, snap, snap. B is for bunny, hop, hop, hop. C is for cat, meow, meow, meow. D is for dog, woof, woof. Wow, let's dance with the animals, A to Z. Come on and sing with me. Every letter has a friend to show. Let's make the ABCs glow. A is for elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. F is for frog, jump, jump, jump. G is for giraffe, so tall and bright. H is for hippo, splash in the light. I is for iguana, look at it go. J is for jellyfish, swimming low. K is for kangaroo, hop, hop, hop. L is for lion, roar, roar, stop. N is for monkey, swing in the trees. N is for narwhal, swimming with ease. O is for octopus, 8 off the sea. P is for penguin, sliding with glee. Let's dance with the animals, A to Z. Come on and sing with me. Every letter has a friend to show. Let's make the ABCs glow. Q is for quail, so quick and small. R is for rabbit, hopping so tall. S is for snake, slithering along. T is for tiger, roar loud and strong. Let's dance with the animals, A to Z. Come on and sing with me. Every letter has a friend to show. Let's make the ABCs glow. U is for unicorn, magical and bright. V is for vulture, soaring in flight. W is for whale, swimming so free. X is for X-ray fish, see through me. Let's dance with the animals, A to Z. Come on and sing with me. Every letter has a friend to show. Let's make the ABCs glow. U is for yak, with fur so thick. Z is for zebra, with stripes so quick. Let's dance with the animals, A to Z. Come on and sing with me. And we know the ABCs.